Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video here, guys, we'll be working on a Volkswagen Tiguan, guys, and we'll show you where you can find, guys, your camshaft position sensor. We're going to explain where it's located, guys, and what needs to be done to remove and replace it. We're going to explain that. Stay with us, guys, until the end. Now, quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos, guys. In addition, on that Volkswagen Tiguan, guys, we'll have probably close to 300 to 400 videos on our YouTube channels. We'll be taking completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing that free information. If you guys need to buy a new replacement camshaft position sensor, any parts or tools, we have the link in the description of the video below. We'll share it, guys, for your convenience. Let me open the hood, guys, and I'll show you where it's located now. It's very easy to get to, and we'll explain that because most of you will know how to replace it. Now, this is, guys, the Tiguan. This is a 2014 model, but it should work for the whole generation from year 2007 all the way to year 2017 for the 2.0 gasoline engine, guys. This is a 2.0 TSI engine. Now, quick introduction, guys. As you know, we have a main channel called Auto Repair, guys. On Auto Repair, guys, you're going to find all the mechanical videos posted on that Tiguan, guys, that we made. We'll be posting them on Auto Repair, guys. What you're watching now, World Mechanics, it's more of an informational channel. And if you want to see car diagnostics, engine light, airbag light diagnostics, and fuse and relays location, they will be on that channel, guys. People love it, so please subscribe. Now, where is that sensor located? Okay, as you know, we have two camshafts, and most of the newer engines will have two camshaft position sensors. This is not the case with that TSI engine, guys, and you have only one camshaft position sensor. You need to remove that cover. You have 4 rubber bushings. Okay, so just grab it with your hands and start pulling. Sometimes it is more stuck than others, but it comes off. So where are the rubber bushings? Right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, guys. Once you guys remove them, okay, let me show you where you can expect to find that sensor. Okay, let me show you where it attaches. That engine cover attaches to, okay, to these ball mounts here, 2, 3, and number 4 right here, guys. So if you come to the engine, top of the engine, guys, this is your valve cover. Okay, this thing right here, this is your camshaft position sensor. Okay, this thing right here, guys, you have it on the intake camshaft. That's where it's located. Now, it has only one wire and one bolt, and the bolt is with the Torx too, guys. Okay, let me show you what they look like. If you need to get some, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. The Torx too, okay, is like that right here, and let me show you which one exactly it is. I think it's most likely 25 or 30. Okay, this is a 25. That's what it looks like. Torx screw. Okay, it's actually a 30, guys. Okay, it is a 30. So I need to go ahead and get the Torx 30 a little bit fatter. Okay, and all you have to do, remove that bolt and remove that wire, guys. But that's where it's located. Replacement pretty simple as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.